fueling your body. The importance of nutrition. Nutrition is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about eating, it's about eating right. The choices we make every day about what we put into our bodies can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. We all need energy to live our lives to the fullest. Whether it's running in the park, playing sports, or simply enjoying a hike in the mountains, our bodies require fuel to perform these activities. We walk, talk, laugh, and play. These everyday activities, though they may seem simple, all demand energy. And this energy comes from the food we consume. Even when we sleep, our bodies are hard at work. Our heart continues to beat, our lungs keep breathing, and our cells are busy repairing and regenerating. Where does all this energy come from? You guessed it. Food. Food is our fuel. But not just any food. The quality of the food we eat matters immensely. It gives us the power to do everything we love, from lifting weights at the gym to dancing joyfully with a partner. The right nutrition supports all our passions and activities. But it's not just about having a full tummy, it's about nourishing our bodies with the right balance of nutrients to keep us healthy and strong. Just like a car needs the right kind of fuel to run smoothly, our bodies need the right kind of food to be strong and healthy. Imagine putting the wrong fuel in your car. It wouldn't run efficiently, or worse, it might break down. The same goes for our bodies. That's where nutrition comes in. It's about understanding what our bodies need and making informed choices to meet those needs. Nutrition is all about making smart choices about what we eat and drink. It involves reading food labels, understanding ingredients, and opting for meals that provide the best nutritional value. It's about giving our bodies the nutrients they need to thrive. Vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates all play a crucial role in maintaining our health. So if you want to feel your best and have the energy to tackle each day, join me on this journey as we explore the basics of nutrition. Together, we'll learn how to make choices that benefit our bodies and enhance our lives. The building blocks understanding macronutrients. Let's imagine our food like a construction site. To build a strong and sturdy building, you need different materials, right? Well, our bodies are pretty similar. Instead of bricks and cement, we need macronutrients. These are the major nutrients our bodies need in larger amounts to function properly. Think of them as the building blocks of a healthy diet. There are three main types of macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Don't let the word fat scare you. We'll learn why each of these macronutrients is essential and how to choose the right types for a balanced diet. Power up with carbs, your body's energy source. Let's start with carbohydrates, often shortened to carbs. Imagine carbs as the body's primary fuel source, like gasoline for your car. They provide the energy our bodies need to move, think, and go about our day. But not all carbs are created equal. We have simple carbs found in sugary drinks and processed foods, which can give us quick bursts of energy, but then leave us feeling sluggish. On the other hand, complex carbs found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide a slower and more sustained release of energy, keeping us feeling fuller for longer. So, choose your carbs wisely. Opt for whole wheat bread over white bread, brown rice over white rice, and plenty of fruits and veggies. Building muscles and more of the power of protein. Next up, we have protein, the building blocks of our bodies. Think of protein like the bricks and mortar that hold everything together. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, muscles, skin, and hair. It's also crucial for a healthy immune system and hormone production. We can find protein in a variety of foods, including lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, nuts, and seeds. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal to support your body's growth and repair processes. Section 5. Good fats, bad fats, choosing the right kind. Now let's talk about fats. Fats are an essential part of our diet, but not all fats are created equal. Understanding the difference between good fats and bad fats is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. For a long time, fats have gotten a bad rap, but the truth is, our bodies need some fat to function properly. They are a major source of energy and play a vital role in cell growth. Without fats, our bodies wouldn't be able to absorb certain vitamins, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble. Fats provide energy, help our bodies absorb vitamins, and insulate our organs. They also help in the production of important hormones and support cell function. However, the type of fat you consume can make a big difference in your overall health. The key is to choose the right types of fats. Good fats, such as unsaturated fats, can be beneficial for your heart and overall health. These fats are typically found in plant-based oils, nuts, seeds, and fish. Unsaturated fats, found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are considered heart-healthy fats. They can help reduce inflammation and provide essential fatty acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These fats are known to improve blood cholesterol levels, which can decrease the risk of heart disease. Incorporating these fats into your diet can be as simple as adding a handful of nuts to your salad or using olive oil for cooking. They can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, bad fats, such as saturated and trans fats, can have the opposite effect on your health. Saturated and trans fats, found in fatty meats, fried foods, and processed snacks, should be limited as they can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. These fats can also contribute to inflammation and other health issues. It's important to be mindful of the types of fats you are consuming. Reading food labels and choosing healthier options can make a significant difference in your diet. Opt for lean meats, low-fat dairy products, and avoid trans fats found in many processed foods. So make friends with the good fats and limit the bad ones for a healthier heart and overall well-being. By making informed choices, you can enjoy the benefits of fats while minimizing the risks associated with unhealthy fats. Section 6, Micronutrients, Vitamins and Minerals for Optimal Health. We've covered the macronutrients, the major building blocks of our diet. Now let's move on to the micronutrients, the vitamins and minerals our bodies need in smaller amounts but are still crucial for optimal health. Think of vitamins and minerals like the workers on our construction site. They may be small, but they play vital roles in ensuring everything runs smoothly. Vitamins and minerals support a wide range of bodily functions, from boosting our immune system to keeping our bones strong and our blood healthy. We can get a variety of vitamins and minerals by eating a colorful array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Section 7. Stay hydrated. The importance of water. Water is essential for life. It makes up about 60% of our body weight and is involved in virtually every bodily function. Water transports nutrients, regulates body temperature, lubricates joints, and flushes out waste products. When we don't drink enough water, we can become dehydrated, leading to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. The amount of water we need can vary depending on our activity level and climate, but a good general guideline is to drink 8 glasses of water per day. Section 8. Putting it all together. Tips for a balanced diet. Now that we've covered the basics of macronutrients, micronutrients, and hydration, let's talk about how to put it all together into a balanced diet. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and well-being. It provides your body with the necessary nutrients to function correctly and helps prevent chronic diseases. Think of your plate as a guide. Visualizing your plate can help you make better food choices and ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients. The My Plate guideline is a simple and effective way to plan your meals. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for your body's functions. They also add color and variety to your meals, making them more enjoyable. A quarter of your plate should be dedicated to lean protein. Proteins are the building blocks of your body, helping to repair tissues and build muscle. Opt for sources like grilled chicken, tofu, or legumes to keep your meals healthy and balanced. Another quarter should be filled with whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread provide essential nutrients and fiber, which help in digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Choose healthy fats like avocados. Healthy fats are crucial for brain health and energy. They also help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats and can be easily added to salads, cereals, or eaten as snacks. They provide essential fatty acids and other nutrients that support overall health. It's important to limit your intake of saturated and trans fats. These unhealthy fats can increase your risk of heart disease and other health issues. Always check nutritional labels to make informed choices. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is vital for all bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by making 1 or 2 healthy changes at a time. Over time, these small steps can lead to significant improvements in your overall health. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 healthy habits at a time and gradually build from there. For example, you could begin by adding more fruits to your breakfast or choosing whole grain options instead of refined grains. And most importantly, listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full. Eating mindfully can help you enjoy your food more and prevent overeating. Enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Embrace the process of making healthier choices and celebrate your progress along the way. A balanced diet is not just about eating the right foods, but also about enjoying your meals and feeling good about your choices.